implies oneness or a sense of oneness, and as a research term, unity in diversity, which denotes collective differences among group of people. It means unity is a sense of oneness. It shows how various categories of people or various people are united together, forming a India. This was a basic definition of unity. But if, as we all are aware of, India is a nation which has got unique features in various aspects and various fields. Let us describe some of the fields in which India shows its great features. Number one is linguistic diversity. Linguistic diversity. India is a land which has got lot many of languages where lot many of languages are used, and there are basically 40 languages which are considered to be as an official language in India. As we all are aware of that languages are the dialects, or these are the identity of oneself, and these 40 languages are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kashmiri, Marathi, Malayalam, Odia, Manipuri, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu. But above all, Hindi is considered to be as a national language of India or of our country. So we can see that we have in our country there are so many diversity. We people are speaking so many languages, but still we have got a common language, Hindi, and education is developing a sense of unity in even language. Everyone is speaking in schools, even teachers teach us to speak Hindi or a common language, English, but Hindi mostly, so that we can learn and bring a sense of unity among all. If we are in south, or if we are in north, all people are having a common language as Hindi. So teachers are developing a sense of unity among country in aspect of language. Another important one is the religious unity and diversity. Religious unity and diversity. India is a nation which follows so many of religions. There are 6 common religions which are obeyed or which are being observed in India, which are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism. So we can see there are so many of religions which have been observed in India, but still we are Indian, and the sense of Indian or unity is brought by teachers or in education field, which can where we feel that yes, we are above. Beside all these religions, we are Indians. Third factor is geographical diversity and unity. Friends, even in geographical aspect, even from if we will be crossing our boundaries from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we will be observing that we are having so many differences, even in climate, even in soil, landforms, different aspects. Like we can observe that in southern areas our climate is humid, at the middle portion it is moderate, while at the region where at north, where Kashmir, they are having cold climate. So the weather is cold. So you can observe that even there is differences in climate. Another factor, like in the parts of Rajasthan, in those regions mostly deserts are common. In the points where Gangetic flows are there the soil is fertile. Some of the soils are red, some of the regions carry red soil, some alluvial soil. There is differences in our geographical pattern also, but still we are having a common pattern of, we are having a landform of India, we lie in India. And teachers always teach us, and our education facilities are so much provided that they unitedly form teachers that yes, they teach the basic differences in the landforms or in climate, but still we are Indians, and this geographical pattern, these geographical concepts are also given by the educations. Fourth factor is cultural unity. Many of the places shows different cultures, like some of the Bengalis wear Bengali sarees, Punjabis like to wear lungies, and many South Indians try some different pattern of saree. So in our dressing sense, even in our language, Bengali speak Bengali. I'm not entering into the language aspect as I have discussed with you before. In our culture, even some of the dance forms like Kathak, Manipuri, they are being practiced in southern areas. The Bhangra, they are being practiced in our northern areas. So we can see that even our cultures are being showing different diversities and different varieties, but still we are having our common song, Indian national anthem, where this shows and teaches in every school it has been practiced. So we can see that a sense of commonness or unity have been shown in India. Next fact is political diversity. As we know, Indian democracy is a multi-party system. There are so many parties in India, like BJP, Congress, Bahujana Samaj Party, RJD, many others. But still, there is a central government which is controlling this whole government. There in even states, different states has got different parties. Means different states has got different government, but still all these states or all these diversities has been controlled by a single government, that is central government. So we can see that there are so many diversities even in political aspect, but still India is a common country. India is a country which is controlled by a common government. The next factor is economical diversity and unity. There are so many economical fields which are being practiced in India, like agriculture, personal business, then industries. But it is not so that government is only investing more in agriculture, not in other industrial factors, or not in education. In each all the sectors, government invests equal amount of money, and government is the factor which is controlling all these aspects. Not only in agriculture, not only in other factors like business or etc. Government is practicing or investing amount in each of the sectors. So why government is doing so? They are doing so because so that they should not feel that agricultural sector is not important, or we can say